insane. All Geos will again. Steam from the gears of nights alive. I see your face in the neon lights. In the thick of the streetlights, your shadow dance. The world spins caught in a trance. As the night goes, here and rain, soul and heart feel every pain. The dance in smoky midnight streets, through worlds of love get jingled away. Once glorious halls now echo void. The whispers of laughter long destroyed. A lonely street sing a ghostly song. The air is thick, where do I belong? In the fog of fading dreams we chase. Shadows linger up an ancient place. As the night goes, here and rain, soul and heart feel every pain. They dance in smoky midnight streets, through worlds of love get jingle played. Shadow dance, bass hums below. The past whispers through the dark halo. Melodies swirl, caught the night's embrace. Echo of their hearts at time not erase. Broken gates of forgotten dreams. We wander on, but the past screams. Midnight tales on crumbling stone. Silent whispers in the midnight air, demanding swale, a somber prayer. Winds weave tales of the lost and the brave. In echoes and shadows the past we crave. The accordion side tells stories untold, the hearts entwined of fierce and bold. The ruins of time, the whispers unfold, eternal bonds in the night's cold. Pain. They danced in smoky midnight streets, through worlds of love.